Hello, my name is Russell Boudry, Router Product Manager here at MultiCam, and today I'm here to introduce to you our first offering in our CNC router lineup, the APEX1R. Now the 1R is built with made in the USA quality and is priced to be market competitive. I'm standing in front of our 5-foot by 10-foot configuration machine with some major options of a 10 horsepower ATC spindle and dual knives. Now other sizes that are available in this series start at 4x8 up to 7x12 with collet spindle offerings of 4 and 7.5 horsepower, as well as automatic tool changer spindles of 5 and 10 horsepower, all at 24,000 RPM. That's going to provide you the superior edge quality that you need for plastics, wood, aluminum, and composite materials. I want to point out a few features on your APEX1R. You'll be receiving tube steel all welded frame that's been stress relieved and milled in-house so that the datums for the rack and the rail are going to be parallel within 1/1000. This is going to provide you true parallel and perpendicularity cuts. It's going to have a steel gantry sitting on top of aluminum cast risers that work together to provide vibration dampening across the whole system, allowing you for 7 inches of gantry clearance with a maximum cut through of material of 3 inches. This motion platform of the base and gantry is going to be coupled with high quality helical rack and pinion, 25mm rail, strong technique servos, planetary gearboxes. This provides you the torque and smooth motion you need and expect from your CNC router. The APEX1R has a well-rounded set of optional features, starting with the linear tool changer rack. This allows the spindle to automatically pick up and drop off different tools. Our 4-foot model comes with 8 locations, 5-foot model comes with 10, and our 7-foot model comes with 14 different pickup tool locations. The next major optional feature I'd like to point out is the dual tangential knives with the electric oscillator and the quick change pneumatic knife holder. The electric oscillator is great for paper products like cardboard, chipboard, cork, and many more. But more important is not what it can cut as much as what the oscillating knife provides the ability to do small entity cutting and fine detail cuts. The quick change knife holder provides a variety of different drag knives, such as a vinyl knife, or creasing wheel, a rotary blade, or a multi-angle knife cutter. Now these different knife holders open up cutting processes like crease and cut, drag cutting PVC, styrene and foam core, or maybe angle cutting falcon board and sound board. Additional features for this machine include the misting lubrication unit, which is great for cutting aluminum. You have the laser pointer here with bright red crosshairs, which easily allows the operator to move and create a new working soft home on the corner of his material. And then the MultiVision camera, which easily picks up registration marks on printed material and then allows you to accurately cut those prints out. You may be watching this video and you've been able to take your hobby into a small business, or your shop is needing to expand into a parallel market, or maybe you just need a machine to help with production and those new development projects. You should ask, what is the APEX1R MultiCam difference? Well, one of the major differences is with all these features, this machine is still easy to use. Another good reason is this equipment has been described to me by owners and operators of MultiCam that it's a workhorse machine and it's highly reliable. Another great reason is this machine allows you to have access to our applications team, training, and where I come from, excellent tech support. Whatever your reason for considering a new MultiCam CNC router, you're going to find that the value-priced APEX1R with its industrial build is exactly what you need to be profitable. For more information about our machines, visit us at www.multicam.com and click subscribe on this channel if you'd like to receive notifications for new content like this.